No, I noticed when you introduced the Catholic University students, the Honorable Babu Owino, and I know he's a young man, but when we are cheering Honorable Speaker in the House, is it?
Order, Honorable Babu Owino. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Go ahead.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, we are a house of order and decorum. Honorable Speaker, why I rose on a point of order is because I noticed something, and is rather uncalled for, the tirade by the Honorable Babu Owino. Because it is a fact that he's a young man, and he's a young parliamentarian. And he's an example, he ought to be an example. He ought to be an example to those young students in the gallery. Honorable Speaker,
order. Order. Kimani Ichung'wah, take your seat. Babu Owino. Order, Honorable Babu Owino. Can you withdraw those unparliamentary words? You are more decent than that. Withdraw those unparliamentary words. Give him the mic.
Honorable Speaker, I withdraw, but I don't apologize.
Honorable Babu Owino, you've been a senior student leader. Those students in the gallery on the speaker's side, on the public gallery, look at all of you here as an example for mentorship and to emulate. Even in the heat of the moment, avoid using unpalatable words that your families are watching, the whole country is watching. It is not right. That matter will be closed there. Go to order number 9.